I have got a goodie for you today. I am making peanut butter brownie protein balls. Now, I want to be straight up with you. I eat a lot. You might think that she's all about healthy eating, and yes, I am all about healthy eating and empowering healthy living, but I don't deprive myself. I make sure that I eat a lot. I exercise to eat. So I always have healthy snacks. I eat chocolate. I eat, I have healthy things in the freezer all the time. And that's what I'm making for you today, is a healthy sweet treat, which has also got extra protein in it, because we need to be getting more protein into our diet. My name is Wick Nixon from Wicked Wellbeing, and I'm all about empowering healthy living. And I want you to stay on until the end, because I've got some details that I want to tell you about a free online workshop that I've got coming up. Now, this recipe is actually from my Thermomix, but I've converted it into my food processor because it's very easy just to convert. So for those of you just joining me, I am making peanut butter brownie protein balls, because at our age, I want to say our age, my age, I'm 49, around 40, going into the menopausal stage, we need to be getting more protein into our diet. And that is really, really important in terms of, more protein, natural protein sources through your meats and legumes and tofu, tempeh, that kind of stuff, but also through your snacks. And protein powder is a really good way to do it, along with nuts. So I have lightly toasted. If you are not on my email list and you want this recipe, then head to wickedwellbeing.com/new and site register, and you'll get this recipe sent to you. Now, I've lightly toasted some cashews. Normally I would have done almonds, but my son has eaten all my almonds in his smoothie, so I've done a mix of cashews and almonds, and I've lightly toasted them, okay? I've got some peanut butter here. You could use any sort of nut butter. I've got some cacao powder. So cacao powder is your rawest form of chocolate. Hasn't been exposed to high heat like cocoa powder has, but cocoa powder will work as well. Oh, I forgot to bring my water over. And I've got some protein powder, just to add more protein, because I'm always looking at more ways that you can do that. Cinnamon and vanilla powder. And then I'm just going to put in you could use honey, I'm just going to put in a tablespoon of maple syrup for a little bit of sweetener. Now I'm just going to process that, and I'm going to grab my water at the same time. Now, if you want more of a textured ball, then don't process it very much. If you want it more smooth, then process it. Now, this hasn't combined together because the original recipe didn't have protein powder in it. So I'm just adding some water, and that's going to bind it up. And I might need a little bit more. Actually, that will be okay. So as you can see, look at this beautiful mixture. I'm just going to roll those into balls and put them in the fridge. And that is what my healthy snack is if I feel like a sweet treat, which is often after lunch or after dinner. Now, as you know, I'm all about empowering healthy living, and that is through the food. But what has been really intriguing for me since I've been, doing one-on-one coaching is understanding our limiting beliefs and how we sabotage our thoughts and our actions. So last year, when I had the opportunity to study more about our saboteurs and where they show up, I jumped at the chance. It was incredibly enlightening. I didn't realize I was going to be doing the work on myself first, which is what I did. Now I want to share that information with you. So, because this is the underlying, the food is amazing. Healthy, nutritious food is amazing. But we need to get down deeper, dig deeper to understanding what's happening in our minds and why we do the things we do. And that's what I was really interested in learning. And this has been the missing link for me. So I'm running a workshop, Mental Fitness. What is it and why is it life-changing? Next Monday, the 22nd of May at 8 p.m. I'd love you to join me. Now, head to wickedwellbeing.com/workshop. That's where you'll find the information. It's in the post above, and register. Now, when you register, you will get the ability to take a saboteur assessment to understand what your personal top saboteurs are. I want you to take that test before the workshop on Monday at 8 p.m. Okay? And because it will be even more, you'll get even more out of the workshop. So head to wickedwellbeing.com/workshop and make sure you register, take the saboteur assessment, and make sure you have your results handy for the workshop. And please share this with anyone, any friends or family who you think would be really interested in it. It is such life-changing, information to learn. I wish I'd learned this so much when I was younger. It would have just made so much difference. But now is better than never. Okay, thanks for joining me. This recipe will be coming out in my newsletter. So if you're not on my newsletter, head to wickedwellbeing.com/new and I will send that recipe out. But please do join the workshop. The link is in the post above. Okay, see you later.